Samsung has just launched its latest mid-range smartphone in India, the Galaxy M56, packing some impressive features into a sleek design. Despite its slim profile, the device boasts a large battery and extended software support, making it a standout option in its category. Here's everything you need to know about its specs, features, pricing, and more. The Galaxy M56 sports a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with FHD plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for extra durability. The bezels have been slimmed down by 30%, giving it a more modern and immersive look. Under the hood, it runs on the Exynos 1480 SoC, paired with 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. Powering the device is a 5,000 mAh battery that supports 45-watt fast-wired charging. Despite housing such a large battery, the Galaxy M56 maintains an ultra-thin profile at just 7.2 millimeters thick and weighs 180 grams. The rear camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. For selfies, there's a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. The phone runs on Android 15 with Samsung's One UI 7 skin out of the box, and Samsung is offering an impressive 6 years of OS and security updates, ensuring that the Galaxy M56 stays up to date for the long haul. Hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome content.